Alright guys, today we are building a brand new gaming PC. The final stuff just came in the mail today, such as the PC case and the cable extensions and the RAM. And I'm going to be wearing gloves because I am building on carpet and I just want to be safe. This is my first PC build. Hopefully everything goes well. I'm hoping everything goes perfect. I did take a couple things out of my old PC case, such as the GPU and storage, but literally everything else I bought. So yeah, we're gonna try to build a PC. Hopefully everything goes well. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, let's get into the video. Alright guys, as you can see, we still have a lot left. And I still have to cable manage, but this is where we are so far in the build. This is how much I got done in the front. And I have to stop it right here because I am finna go over my girlfriend's house. So I'm gonna get back with y'all when I come back. Alright guys, so I am back and oh my goodness, there is still a lot to be done. So I do not think I can record the rest of this because I'm honestly too lazy. So I'm gonna just get back to y'all when I'm finished or almost finished with the PC. So yeah. Alright guys, I got the PC set up and I got BIOS and everything installed. That took forever. But right now, we finna hop into Fortnite and see how much FPS we can get on this PC. I'm thinking around 600, 700. But we're gonna hop in creative and we'll see. So let's go. Alright guys, we are in Fortnite right now. And as you can see at the top right, my FPS is capped at 180 because I do play on 165 hertz. So we are gonna uncap it. I am on performance mode. Everything is on low except view distance. So yeah, we finna go unlimited and let's see. Yup. Yup. Yeah, that's pretty good if you ask me. And it does go smooth too. I haven't played Fortnite in 2 weeks, so I'm a bit rusty. But anyway guys, that's the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm grateful for every single like, comment, and subscribe that I get. Thank you for all you guys who supported me. We are on the way to 200 subs. And yeah, I'm out. Peace.